Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Doc and embed it into the weekly reflection assignment in Canvas so that all you need to do is maintain the Google Doc and you'll never need to go into Canvas again for this assignment. I'll be able to see your actual work each week as you put it in here. So the link is actually here at the top of the page where it says weekly reflection, but I do also have it linked underneath our week of April 6th, the work that you need to do for the week of April 6th. And all I need for this first week is just for you to get the document set up and get it embedded into Canvas so that I can see the document. You don't need to answer any questions for this first week. We will start that for next week. So if I click on the weekly reflection, either the button at the top of the page or this will take you to the same place. Here's the weekly reflection for your project work. You're creating a Google Doc. Each week you're responsible for writing 3 to 6 sentences on these questions down below of what you learned from what we worked on that week. So first thing I need to do is actually go over to Google Drive and I need to create a new Google document. Now if I have you for multiple subjects, you'll need to do a separate document for each class, or just do one document and make sure that you specify which class you're answering. So if you have me for animation and robotics and 3D modeling, for each week you'll write in the date or the week. So we'll say week April 13th, which would be the first week that you actually have to do reflection, and then you'll just answer your questions. So if you're doing it for 2 classes, write down animation, answer those questions, and then write game design, or I'm sorry, robotics and 3D modeling, answer those questions. So get the documents set up. This is really all we need to do for right now. You can write the questions on here if you want to, or just answer the questions. It's entirely up to you how you want to maintain this document. I'd probably recommend getting the 3 questions. I'll hit Control-C to copy those. And then I'll go over to my document and I'm just going to paste them maybe above everything. So that way you know what the questions are and you don't need to keep looking back and forth. So the questions are here, and then for the week of 13th you will actually answer those questions in here, and then you'll write down the date of the next one. Keep it as a running journal. Okay, so we're set up and ready to go. So the first thing I need to do is I need to go over to File and I need to go to Publish to Web. When you go to Publish to Web, you're going to actually generate some embed code for this. So I'm going to hit Publish, hit OK, and there's your embed code. So it says Control-C to copy. So I'm going to hit Control-C to copy all of that code. I'm now going to go back over to my Canvas weekly reflection assignment, hit the Submit Assignment button. When you do that, you'll get a text box up down here at the bottom of your submission. I'm going to switch to the HTML editor. And I'm going to Control-V to paste in that code. Okay, so what's happening now is we've just basically embedded a link to your Google document into this, but there's one problem. Don't hit submit. Go back up here at the top and you'll see that the written instructions say paste this text into your HTML window, and I need you to add something at the beginning of it. Where it says iframe and SRC, I need you to copy this text where it says width of 100%, height of 600 pixels. Control-C to copy that again, or you could right-click copy. Go down here to where you embedded that code, and right here between iframe and SRC, Control-V it in there, but make sure there's a space. Make sure spaces are where they belong. Iframe width of 100%, height of 600 pixels. This makes a large enough window for me to be able to read your document. And I'll hit Submit Assignment. And that's all you need to do in Canvas. If something goes wrong, I'll let you know. But now I'm going to go back over to the teacher side of this. I'm going to show you what that document looks like for me. Okay, so what I could do right now, it looks like some other students have already posted there. I'm going to go into SpeedGrader, and this is what it looks like from the teacher side of things. So there's my test student, there's my document, so I can read your responses as you put them in. And that's it. Thank you.